Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Children, have you seen yesterday's video? I hope everyone has seen. Yes, children, what we have done yesterday? Grammar part. What we have completed yesterday? Grammar part we have completed. No, we are having we have finished little grammar part. Okay, but what is the topic, children? Tenses. Yes, we have we have done our topic tenses. Yes, children. In tenses, what we have learned first. What are the tenses? What are the tenses, children? Past tense, present tense, future tense. Yes, children. Now, what is past tense, children? Past tense means which is finished yesterday. Present tense means which is today. Yes, children. Future tense means tomorrow. Yes, we have learned about that. Now, in this present, past, future tense, I gave you example also to remember very easily and understand easily. Past means which is finished yesterday. Present means today. And future means tomorrow. I have said. Yes, children. And what we have learned yesterday, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present continuous and past continuous tense. Yes, children. See, once we will recall it. Okay. Simple present. What is the simple present? What is the rule of simple present? Subject plus base verb. We will add for the base verb yes, es plus object. See, children, for the base verb. First, verb. Verb means what? The action words. Now, what I am doing here, writing. Means writing is an action. Write is an action. Then it is an action word. Action word is a what? Verb. Means skipping, writing, drawing, dance, write, go, come. These are all action words. Action words are called as verbs. Understood, children? Action words are called as verbs. Now we have learned is a simple present tense yesterday. Simple present tense, what it is? Subject, base verb. For the base verb, we will add s, es plus object. See, children, when we are adding s or es, for the what for which you will add see, so the see when the subject will not be like I, we, they. That time we will not add s or es. We will write just go means go, play means play. I play. Like this we'll write it. When the subject is a noun, means these are also noun. Pronouns are not there means. The subject is a noun means we will write s. See, Rita goes. Rita goes. Like this we'll write. When subject is pronoun, we will not add s or es for the base verb. When the subject is a noun, we will add s or es for the base verb. Understood, children? And coming to the simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? Subject plus past form of the verb plus object. Past form of the verb or plus object. Past form of the verb means what? Here I said play. When it comes to past form, it is played. Okay, children? Play, played. Past form will be played. Understood, children? Here what it is? Subject, past form of verb plus object. Means which is finished, which is completed. The action which is completed, we will use the past form. Means what? Simple past tense. Now simple future tense. What is simple future tense? I said tomorrow. Means the action that will happen in future. Means now you're all small kids, no? You're in 4th class. What you will want to become? Means you will tell, ma'am, I want to become polite. So what you will tell? Yes, police. Some people will tell police. Some will tell army. Some will tell engineer. Some will tell doctor. Then what you will tell? How you will tell that? I will become pilot. I will become engineer. I will become what you will tell. I will. Yes, children. When I will means it is in the future. Yes, children. What is the rule here? Subject plus will or shall. These two we will use, children. Subject plus will or shall plus base verb plus object. Understood, children? Subject plus will or shall plus base verb plus object. See, I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. Yes, children. Now understood? See, you will ask, shall I go to washroom, ma'am? Means you wanted to go. It is a future tense, no? Then it is like that. Understood, children? Now this is a simple past tense, simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense. Understood, children? Simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense. And what we have done here, once I will give you examples for this. For simple past. Simple past is what? We went for a walk last morning. Simple present. We go for a walk every morning. Simple future. We will go for a walk tomorrow morning. Here what it is different. In simple present they are telling we go for a walk every morning. Means every day they are doing that work. Simple past. We went for a walk last morning. Last morning we went. Means it is finished. See, we will go for a walk tomorrow morning. It is a future. Understood, children? This is about simple present, simple past and simple future. And what we have learned more, present continuous and past continuous. What is present continuous? Present continuous tense is used to describe action that are taking place now. What it is, now what it is going on, that action. I am teaching you. Yes, children, I am teaching. Now it is going on. Understood, children? This is a present continuous tense. What is the rule here? Subject plus is, am, are plus ing form of verb plus object. Here is, am, are plus ing form of object. When we are using singular nouns we will use is, am. When the plural noun it is used are. Understood, children? Here see, children are playing in the garden. Children are playing in the garden. Here I said ing form, no? Play. ing, ing. Playing. Understood, children? See, children is a subject, are playing in the garden. Here, what it is, children means what? One, more than two. Yes, children, more than one are children. Then it is a are. It is are. We will use, it is a plural form. So, we will use are. Subject, children are playing in the garden. What it is? Present continuous tense. See, children, simple present continuous tense. And what it is? Past continuous tense. Next we have learned. What is same? But in the place of the is, am, are. See, children, what are these called? Is, am, are? Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb means what? Helping verbs. Okay, children. So the sentence it helps. Then it gets a meaning correct. Okay, children. Here see. Subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus object. The same. See here, this is a present continuous tense. This is a past continuous tense. Here, what is the past continuous tense? It is referred to action that were going on at a particular time in the past. Means in the past they were going on. And sometime they were done that. Understood, children? See here, children are playing in the garden, I said. Here I am changing here. Children were playing in the garden. Children were playing in the garden. Children were playing in the garden means what? They were playing. Okay. Here's the children. When they have given you the past continuous tense and they said to change in the present, then what you will do? Here you should check first subject. It is a singular subject or the plural subject. Not the children. Then here they have given in the past was means you will write is. They have given in the past were means you will write are. Then they will give the present continuous and they will tell change means what you will do here. See, they will see the subject, it is singular or plural, and then use it. They have given is means you should use was. They have given are means you should use were. Understood, children? This is about your grammar part yesterday, what we have done it. What we have done yesterday, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present continuous and past continuous. And today's topic is, yes, what it is, children? Yes, present perfect tense. What it is, children? Today's topic is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means what? Here. Ma'am, in the present, what is perfect? That is, see here, first listen. This sentence describes the action that have just finished in the present. Such actions are written in the present tense form. See here, Afrin has finished her painting. Afrin has finished her painting. I have watched the movie. You have passed your exams. Here, what it is, Afrin has, I have, you have, it is there. See, here we are using has, have. Yes, children. Now, see here, it reports means the present perfect tense tells that it describes the completed action that are important now, and it tells it links the present and past. It also talks about the action or situation that have started in the past but continue into the present. May see, I have gone to Mumbai, like that they will tell. See, he went to New Delhi in 2012. He is still there only. Means what? He went in the past and he's living there. In the present also he is there only. Yes, children. See here, when you are writing the exams. Okay, children. When you are writing your exam, means when you are writing exam, in the past you have written, now you got the result. Okay, children. Then what it is, here the present and the past are linked. See here, now you will write and you will get the results. Huh? Now we are conducting you the FA2 exams. Think, imagine that we are conducting you FA2 exams. To morning you wrote the exam, evening you will give the marks. Huh? No. Yes. Morning you are writing and evening we are giving also, it is the past and the present only. No. Yes, children. But what when in the past you have written, but we will give in the present. Understood? FA1 exams you have written in the past and you got the results now. Okay, children, means what here? The past and present is linked with that. Then it is called as a present perfect tense. How we will write this? See here. What is the rule for that? What is the rule here? Subject plus has or have plus past participle of verb plus object. See here, Kavya has completed the project. See here, children, here also for the singular nouns you will use has. For the plural nouns you will use have. For the singular noun you will use has. For the plural you will use have. Kavya has completed the project. Here Kavya is a singular noun and has completed what it is, past participle, and the project is object. Understood, children? Past perfect tense. Yes, children, we have learned present perfect tense now. Now past perfect tense. What is a past perfect tense? First here in the present tense, what you have learned, present perfect tense, what we have done, we have used here as or have in the present perfect tense. Yes, children. Now, in the past tense, here, they had practiced, had. We are using here, had. We are using here, had. So, here, children, first, listen carefully. We use the past perfect tense to show which of the two past actions happened first. Means here, when I arrived at the party, my best friend had already left. Here, on earlier past event, a more recent past event. Now, past perfect, simple past. Here, see children, the past perfect and the simple past. We will write. Here, see, they had designed their own costumes. Okay. Here, they had designed their own costumes. Here we are telling that what past perfect tense. Means what? In the past only it happened. But in just a few seconds it happened. Understood, children? See, the past perfect tense to show which of the two past actions happened first. Means in the past, something happened. Which action has happened first? It shows. It shows. See here, when I arrived at the party, my best friend had already left. Here say, when I arrived at the party, my best friend had already left. Yes, children. Here already left. Now, in these two sentences are only one sentence. But what she is telling here, when I arrived at the party, my best friend already left. Means which action is done first? See, this action earlier past event, and this is the more recent past event. I entered, she went. See, this is the present, that is the past. Here, this is the past tense, this is the present tense. No, when I arrived there, means it is a most recent one. So it is a simple past. And earlier past, this is the past perfect. Understand, children? See here. You will see some more examples, means you will understand very clearly. Here, what you should use? Rule. Subject plus had. Had plus what it is? Past participle form of verb. I said no. Past participle of form of verb plus object. Listen here, children. In the present perfect tense also we have used past participle. And in the past perfect also we are using that. But the only changing is here. Yes, children. See, has, have in the present perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, we are using had. See here, Kanta had left the house when her brother broke the cup. When the brother broke the cup, that time she left the house. Understood, children? See here, earlier event in the past, later event in the past. Here, I had already finished my dinner when the guest arrived. Earlier events in the past, earlier events, later events in the past. Understood, children? The aeroplane had received many warnings before it crashed. Navika had finished her homework before she visited me. The doctor had left when I arrived at a clinic. The doctor had left. When I arrived, the doctor went. Understood, children? Later event in the past, earlier actions in the past. See here, events will be there and actions will be there. When we reached their house, the baby had already fallen asleep. Means what? When we are reaching there, the baby already had slept. Understood, children? This is about the past perfect tense. Understood, children? See here, you should do your work perfectly in this. Okay, till now what we have done? Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present continuous, past continuous. Past present perfect tense, past perfect tense. Understood, children? By this we have completed our grammar part, and we have to do vocabulary also. Yes, children. Now see here, this all we have completed. Very important, children, tenses. Understand that. You are not understanding means repeat your video 2 or 3 times and listen carefully. Then you will understand it. Understood, children? Now, see, vocabulary part. What is the vocabulary part here? Very easy vocabulary part is there. Yes, sir. Yes, children? I hope everyone are seeing, checking what is easy there. Very easy. It is a cross puzzle. Complete this, and it is about the sports. You can write it. Yes, children. Write the names of the correct sports under the given picture. You can write your, because you know all the games names. Here already in the boxes they have given, you write it out. Okay, children. And here see, here it is a puzzle. They have given here the clues. You can write it. Complete the crossword puzzle based on the given clues. A punishment given to a player or a team for breaking the rules of a sport. What you will tell is penalty. You know more about games, no, children? You can read this and write it out. Okay, children, everyone will complete this. Vocabulary part is very easy. Complete it, children. And we will see now the exercises of grammar part. Okay, children, remember the tenses. It is very important. Understood, children? Open your books and be ready. We will complete exercises. 3.1, children. Answer the following questions in the tenses given in brackets. 1 is done. Here, how far is your house from your school? In simple present, you should write. My house is 6 kilometers from my school. Means what? Here they are telling in the simple present 6 kilometers. My house is 6 kilometers from my school. Write what you will do in the next 30 minutes. Simple future. What you will do in the 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, what you will be going to do. That you should write. See, children, you should write this in your own. Complete 3.1, children. Okay. We will complete the remaining exercises tomorrow. First, you complete the 3.1. Today's homework is due to complete 3.1, 2.1 and 2.2. Understood, children? Everyone understood that? 3.1 is you should write. Because they are asking you questions. What were you doing last Friday? What did you eat for breakfast today? Have you read the Harry Potter's book? What are you doing right now? Understood, children? Complete 3.1 today. Tomorrow we will complete the remaining exercises. 3.1, 2.1, 2.2. Okay, children? Complete it.